to get all those licenses, and then you have to drop the product in market, and then you have to generate revenue, and then you have to make sure that you have enough to cover that. As far as competitors, so we were at CES in Vegas in January, and every single major MNC company that's manufacturing appliances, so Samsung's of the world, LG, etc., still only has prototypes. So our thought process is, and we're planning on launching our products formally in Q1 of next year, is that if we can be the first ones to market, well then everybody has to conform to our protocol, not the other way around. And that's sort of what's happening. Like, perfect example is Amazon Alexa, right? Everybody's conforming to working with Alexa versus the other way around. Because why? Everybody has an Alexa. Not everybody, but it's the vast majority of people who have a smart home assistant, it's an Alexa.
I was going to make comments on something else, but because of that, be careful of that, because even though you might be the first, if you don't have the whole market, or 50% even, which is going to be hard in a short period of time because it's a brand new product, and early adopters are only a small percentage. The big companies are going to come over and create their own, and I know the whole Tesla and how it's going to confuse, and eventually the big ones can win out. But what I really want to comment on is this early adopter thing, and you touch on it. It's going to be a high-end product to start, kind of like the EV market, right? When Tesla came along, they outsold the Prius because it wasn't about saving the environment, it was about being cool. You touched on it, but I think that should be your primary market to launch, is the high-end complexes, which we have tons of going up every day here in the Bay Area. They're spending $2 million for a small footprint, and they want clean, beautiful, elegant countertops. And they're willing to pay top dollar for it, and it's B2B play just to get into their showroom for each tower going up. To me, that and they're going to be the early adopters for this, and showing off all their rich friends, and that'll spread a lot faster than trying to put it on a boat every once in a while, or RV. So
appreciate
something to consider.
No, I appreciate that. It's actually a good point that you brought up about boat versus RV. So like yacht numbers are in like the hundreds per year, like maybe 1,000 if you get to the smaller ones. RVs are in the hundreds of thousands a year. So it's not apples to apples in that way, but I see what you're saying.
I still take the condo.
Trust me. Trust me. I'll take a lot of business right now.
Axel, one more question.
Somebody's got something to say.
Coffee time.
Anybody? Any feedback from me? I'd love to hear it, because we do these. Somebody on my team is on the road once a week doing these, and we always like to hear the question we've never heard before.
Does it work with? It would work with all your existing cooktop,
pans and pots? No. Same way with induction, you have to buy new ones. But that's the innovation we're forcing, right? Think about Keurig K-cups now, right? That was never a thing, and then all of a sudden everybody loves it, and now everybody's paying $14.99 a month for their supply of pods or whatever. Yes, ma'am.
I was just going to say, so if you already have induction cookware, though, that will work on your induction
Correct,
cookware?
because it's just creating hybrid functionality.
So you just need to have that steel or that ferrous metal for your cook.
So if you have an induction cooktop, your induction pans and pots will work on it. Our appliances will not, because you would need the receiving adapter in the appliance, and you need the transmitter in the induction cooktop.
Yeah, not the appliances wouldn't work, but your cookware would work as far as pots and pans if you already have induction.
Correct.
Okay.
Excellent. Great job. Thanks. All right, I'm going to talk, but you guys go ahead and get in line for coffee. It's great coffee. It comes from Dancing Goat, some of the best coffee, maybe the